Oh yeah, he's a big one. Holy cow!
I just sat it there for a minute and I just started popping it and took it. Dude.
Oh, you gotta be at least a 5.
I think about 6 pounds, man. What is that, bro?
Oh, watch the paddle. Coming in hot.
Like, you need, like,
holy cow, he's a lot bigger than what he looked.
Like, you need to get some photos of me with this thing, bro, or something, man. Dude, this shit was insane, bro.
Holy moly.
Don't drop this boy, weigh in. I say 6 pounds, what do you say?
Oh yeah, he's big.
Dude, when I seen his head come up, I was like, oh my god, bro. Oh, fuck yeah, man. 6 pounds, come on. 6 pounds, come on. Oh yeah, on the dot.
5'9".
Dude.
So close.
My shit's dead.
Jesus. He's got a mouth. This is what they look like out here in Lake Otis?
For real, bro. Dude. Try to get that thing, man. How close is that? I can't believe I actually got it, man.
You got a phone?
I got a phone, but I ain't gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna get a video.
Yeah, I'll snap some off of this.
Dude, what's up, boy?
Hold on, hold him back up.
Hold on, I don't want him dying. But, dude, that shit's insane, bro. You wanna get a photo with him?
Hmm?
You wanna get a photo?
It's your face, man.
Yeah, I don't care. Dude, that shit's insane, bro.
That's just badass.
Like, what the fuck, man? There's that big boy, dude. Look at him, dude.
Yeah. He was hiding in the lily pad pretty good, huh?
This dumping, like, so many times I've seen him. Like I said, I hit this like 3-4 times.
Too bad I ain't got my my waterproof case on it.
He's so tired, ain't he? He's like a fucking...
Look at that. Hold him up to my paddle. Jesus.
I don't know how I did it, dude. 6 pounds.